Get into the 2023 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors. When it comes down to it, is there anything more important than safety in a family vehicle? Drive the Pacifica.